To fix the GE Cooktop error code F75, follow this step-by-step guide. The F75 error code indicates a problem with the cooktop's igniter, which is responsible for lighting the burners. Start by ensuring the cooktop is turned off and cool to the touch. Next, locate the igniter, usually found near the burner caps. Inspect the igniter for any signs of wear or damage, such as cracks or corrosion. If the igniter is damaged, it will need to be replaced. To replace the igniter, first disconnect the power to the cooktop. Then, remove the burner caps and grates to access the igniter. Gently pull the igniter out of its mounting bracket and disconnect the wire connector. Install the new igniter by connecting the wire connector and inserting the igniter into its mounting bracket. Replace the burner caps and grates, and reconnect the power to the cooktop. If the igniter is not damaged, the issue may be with the igniter's electrical connection. Check the wire connector for any signs of wear or corrosion. Clean or replace the connector as needed. Also, check the cooktop's circuit board for any signs of damage or wear. If the circuit board is damaged, it may need to be replaced. After troubleshooting and repairing the igniter or its electrical connection, turn on the cooktop and test the burners. If the error code persists, the issue may be with the cooktop's control board or other components, and it is recommended to consult a professional appliance technician for further assistance. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the cooktop and checking the igniter, can help prevent error codes and ensure the cooktop operates safely and efficiently.